this one, we're going to teach you how to multiply binomials, also known as polynomials. Notice that we have two different binomials right now. We have x minus 4 and x plus 7. The first thing you want to do is create what is called an area model. It's basically a square. You're cutting it in half on both sides. Well, if we set these up, we have x minus 4 and we also have x plus 7. Now notice that each of these letters or numbers take up one space of each square drawn. Well, it's important to do this, guys, because when we multiply, we're going to multiply like in a battleship. If we look at this box, we're going to multiply x times x. Remember, x times x, it's not 2x. It means we multiply the x's, so the exponents get added. X to the power of 1 times x to the power of 1. It means we're adding the exponents, which is x to the power of 2. Next one, we're multiplying negative 4 times x. Well, since negative 4 doesn't have an x, all we do is put them next to each other, negative 4x. Same thing with the 7 and this x. When you multiply them, it's just 7x. And finally, since these two do not have any letters, they just multiply like regular numbers, which is 28. But since that's a negative and that's a positive, we make it a negative 28. The last step we have to do, guys, is combine what we can. Notice that this is the only x with an exponent of 2. Therefore, we're going to write it at the beginning because it's the highest degree and there's no one else with that exponent. Finally, or second to last, we have these x's that are by themselves to the power of 1. Since there's positive 7x's here and negative 4x's here, well, what's 7 minus 4? It's just a positive 3x. Don't forget the x, guys. And finally, since this is the only one that doesn't have a letter, we just bring it to the bottom, minus 28. And that's how you do multiplication of binomials.